Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to convert number grade into student grade or letter grade in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a numerical number, and we are going to convert numerical number into letter grade. Now you see, so we have column student grade, mark obtained 90, 80, 60. So we are going to set criteria and we are going to convert mark obtained into grade. Now select cell and then on top you see formula bar, so click on it. So we are going to add formula and you will find that formula in video description or in comment section. Now paste. Now you see we are using if condition. Now you see if and then you see B2. So this is our mark obtained is greater than equal to 90. Then we are going to assign A grade. Now you see, and then you see if again you see B2 90 is greater than equal to 80, then we are going to assign B grade. Now you see if B2 greater than or equal to 70, assign grade C. Now you see we are going to assign grade on numbers. So you can add numbers or grade according to your requirement. So this is our column, mark obtained number B2. Now press enter. And then you see grade assign A. Now select. So this is our formula and you will find this formula in video description or in comment section. So we assign grade A. Now select and drag and drop A like this. Now you see this student get A grade, B grade, D grade. Now we are going to change number. Now at 70. Now you see grade change. Now make it 90. Now you see grade change auto. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.